Hi, this is Scoggett, and today I'm making a video. It came a heck of a snowstorm down here in Tornado Alley, Texas, and I'm going to show you how it looks and everything. Everything is totally snowed under. This is my house right here, and as you can see, it snowed all the way up to almost to the windows. I've been shoveling snow all day. This is neighbor's house, and just a lot of snow. And I tell you what, I'm tired from shoveling all that snow, let me tell you. Thought I'd share this with you. I hate these snowstorms when they come like this, because I tell you what, can't go anywhere, and it took me about 3 hours to dig myself out. That snow is just deep. Appreciate you watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'm going to go inside where it's warm, and y'all take care.